Hi, today we'll be drawing Yuji Itadori with markers. Get ready to sketch his amazing face step by step. First, make a V-shaped outline for the chin and jawline. Add ears on both sides of the face. It's coming together nicely. Let's dive into the details. Draw his eyes, eyebrows, and nose, giving Yuji lots of expression. Now add a wide smile. That's Yuji's charming look. Draw the neck connecting below the face. Start outlining his spiky hair, perfect match for Yuji. Let's add some fine details on the hair. Neat, huh? Finish up with colors. Pink for hair and natural tones for the skin. Yuji looks awesome.